Hi guys, welcome back if you're new or if you're not. I'm Kiana, and today I wanted to share with you all my 5-minute makeup routine. And when I say 5 minutes, I mean 5 minutes. So obviously this video is not going to be 5 minutes because I'm going to walk you through each step. So in this video I will be primarily using Merit products. Full disclosure, they did send me these products a couple months ago and I did do a video for them, but this video is in no way sponsored. All the products I'm using because I truly love them and they help make my 5-minute routine actually be 5 minutes. As I get older, I want to spend less time doing my makeup just because I'm so busy. I don't really want to be wearing so much makeup. I have developed the perfect formula for a 5-minute makeup routine and I want to share it with all of you. You know, we're all busy. We all have things to do, people to see, maybe not now. I just truly hate the process of doing my makeup because it takes so long. So I'm here to cut the process down by more than half. To get started, I always have to put my hair back into some sort of ponytail, some sort of thing that just gets my hair out of my face because I cannot work with my hair just flying around. I wish I had those clips with me, but I don't. So I actually start my makeup routine right after I do my morning skincare routine, just so that everything is fresh. So the last step in my morning skincare routine is actually the Hydra Life Extra Plump Smooth Balm Mask from Dior. This is a lifesaver in the winter. You can just already tell that it is a thick consistency, which is what you want, especially if you have dry skin like I do, just regardless, but especially in the winter. And especially this winter, I find myself having way more dry skin than usual and patches of dry skin, which is just not cute. So because I already have that applied to my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Professional. I love this primer, just smooths out your skin. And I think I say this in every tutorial, but it smells like orange chiclets and it really just brings me back to my childhood. I only put it really in 2 places, and those places are on my chin and then directly onto my nose so that everything appears to be very smooth. So this makeup routine leaves your skin feeling very youthful, looking very glowy, and it just all around is amazing because who wouldn't want glowy, youthful looking skin in under 5 minutes? Because I know I do. Going in with our first Merit product, this is the Merit Complexion Stick and mine is in the shade Sand. I just put this really on any problem areas and it just does wonders with blending out and just making your skin look like your skin. And then I'm going to use the Merit brush number 1 to smooth it out and blend everything into my skin. But I'm going to zoom you guys in because I want you to see firsthand how easily it blends together. And I never used to be like a cream products kind of person, but I have been converted because it truly does wonders for your skin. Like it just makes it look 100 times better than liquid foundation, powder foundation. Everything smooths out so nicely, and this brush, I don't know what is up with the bristles, but it truly does blend in so easily. And when I first got these Merit products sent to me, I originally just like was swiping it onto my skin, but I found that the best way is actually to just pat it into your skin. It gives a more natural airbrush look, which is exactly what we are going for. This complexion stick is not meant to be foundation or concealer specifically. It's supposed to be kind of an all-around product, but what I love about it is that you can really build it up, which is great, especially if you don't have a lot of problem areas, or maybe you do. This thing is really for everyone. So now that my base is on, so I'm just gonna go in with the Merit Volumizing Pomade in the shade Brown Black. The one thing I have to say about this is you would think that the product is in this side, but actually the product is in the smaller side, which I wish there was just more product. This brow gel is so easy to use. You just comb it through your brows and it's really just so easy because I used to dread doing my eyebrows, but I always had to do my eyebrows because it really frames your entire face. But something like a tinted brow gel, they really make doing your eyebrows just so easy, and you can have like a fuller looking brow within like 2 seconds. So now that my brows look fuller and fluffier, which is on trend for this year in specific, I'm gonna go in with my favorite part of my makeup routine and probably the most iconic Merit product. This is actually in the shade Cheeky, which is this beautiful dark kind of plum raspberry kind of color, and it comes in this cute packaging. You don't need another tool or anything to blend it out. You just swipe it onto your cheek. You can also do the thing where you pat it, which is what I do sometimes, and then I like to do it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, and then a little bit on my chin, and then I'm just gonna blend it out using my ring finger, and it just blends so nicely within your skin. You can pat it, you can rub it. What I really love about all Merit products though is they blend in so easily, but they also make it really easy to build up product, because I love blush. If there is one thing that I love and the trend that I love the most in beauty, it's like this over blush cutesy kind of rosy color like you're a cartoon character. So I pack on blush like there is no tomorrow, and I love that Merit products make it so easy to just blend into your skin and just make it look like your second skin. And I put some on my nose to give it that cute button nose kind of look. These products are also very forgiving, so even if you put too much, you can just go in and blend it out and everything blends so nicely. And then again, if you didn't put enough, you could just add more and it looks flawless. Okay, so the next product I go in with is highlighter, and I swear by this highlighter because powder highlighters are just so chalky and glittery. Liquid highlighters are deathly my enemy because I never know how much to put. This thing makes it so freaking easy. This is the Merit highlighting balm in the shade Kappa. Just swipe it everywhere that you would apply highlighter, and then you just pat it into your skin. How gorgeous is that? Like, it looks like it's just your natural highlighter. And then obviously if you want to apply more, it's super easy, and you just blend it into your skin, and it's like, I can't. Okay, so I just curled my eyelashes off camera because I hate when I'm watching a makeup video and they're curling their eyelashes on camera, and I would never put you guys through that because it's really creepy. But I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in waterproof because obviously waterproof is the way to go. Okay, and if you have stubborn straight Asian lashes like I do, or just straight lashes in general that refuse to stay curled, waterproof mascara number one. But I'm going to show you the proper way to actually make your lashes look long and lengthen. Take it from me, I've literally done it all, and I learned this trick back in high school from a friend of mine, and I have to share it with everyone because it is genius. And then you're going to take your mascara wand and start at the tip of your lashes, and you can see that they're already lengthening, and then go in at the bottom and start to pull the mascara wand from the base of your eyelashes, and it just really makes them long. And then the waterproof formula of the mascara will hold the curl for the entire day. And trust me when I say that it works, because I've tested it, and waterproof mascara also doesn't smudge under your eyes, but also I've stopped putting my foundation or concealer underneath my eyes, and it also helps with no smudging. Also, on top of all that, I refuse to put on mascara on my bottom eyelashes because I think it makes me look creepier. I think that only putting mascara on your top lashes makes it look more natural, and then it doesn't smudge, which just makes your makeup look really bad. And then to finish off my entire makeup look, sometimes I will put on some sort of lip gloss. I love the Merit tinted lip oil in the shade Au Naturel. I'm not going to do that because I'm not really going anywhere, so I'm going to use the Summer Fridays lip butter balm in vanilla. This applicator actually is like perfectly molded to fit your lip, which is really nice. That is the completed makeup look that, if I wasn't filming a video, would literally take 5 minutes. Super easy if you have an 8 a.m. class or an 8 a.m. meeting, you wake up late. This makeup look is the way to go. Nobody likes to spend more time on things because we're all busy. We have lives. So yeah, try out this makeup routine. It's super easy. It's literally foolproof. And if you do try any of the products, let me know which ones are your favorite. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my 5-minute makeup routine, even though it wasn't 5 minutes because I'm filming a video. But if I wasn't filming a video, then it would be 5-minute makeup routine. And I will see you guys next week for another new video. Bye!
Look up at the sky.